guys, I'm Drew and I'm at Shoes of Hollywood again and doing some more shoe reviews for you. So today we have another pleaser heel. These ones are the Bejeweled 708 leopard print. So these ones are the top of the range. They are very bedazzled, you will love them. Now again, like most pleaser heels, they come with a little curry bag, so really easy for storage and carrying around and keeping them safe as well. So these ones have heaps of protective covering on them. It's like Christmas, we're unwrapping our presents. Okay, so these ones have a lot of unwrapping to do. Look at these. So they are black and gold rhinestones. There are about 10,000 rhinestones on them and they're all put on handmade, well, all put on by hand. So these ones are a 7-inch. Now they have the plastic strap. Now again, this plastic material will mold to the shape of the foot after wearing them a couple of times, so they will be super comfortable. Alright, well I'll try them on and show you what they look like. Okay, so again, really easy to put on. I'm just going to put my foot socks on, help my foot slide in. Really easy buckle to do up and then just tighten them to your desired preference. Okay, so again, these are just the 7-inch black and gold rhinestone leopard print pleaser heels. Like all pleaser heels, they have lots of grip on the bottom, really comfortable, and they always look really nice. These you can pretty much wear anywhere because they're so easy to walk in. Formal, with a long dress, completely up to you. Dress it up, yeah. They're already dressed up enough, they're pretty sparkly. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and thank you for watching.